Your kitchen and beauty routine are about to get a massive upgrade. These 5 Amazon finds are absolutely flying off the shelves. First, Rotary cheese grater with hand crank that's making meal prep effortless. Fresh cheese, vegetables, nuts, 3 blades, non-slip suction base, free cleaning brush, gourmet shredding in seconds. Second, 3-in-1 electric sandwich maker that's replacing 3 appliances. Panini press, grill, and waffle iron with removable non-stick plates. Grilled cheese, burgers, steaks, waffles, one machine, endless possibilities. Third, electric garlic chopper that's ending kitchen tears forever. Mini portable design, wireless operation, garlic, onions, ginger, chili, fruit, meat. Perfect chunks every time without the hassle. Fourth, mason jar vacuum sealer that's revolutionizing food storage. Electric sealing for regular and wide-mouth jars, 1-button start, automatic stop, fresh food that lasts weeks longer. And last, 360 rotating makeup brush holder with dust-proof cover. Clear organizer, vanity perfection, desktop beauty, your cosmetics and skincare organized like a professional makeup artist. These aren't just products, they're the life upgrades that smart shoppers are obsessing over right now. Don't miss out while these gems are still available. Tap shop now below, hit the link and grab yours today. Your upgraded lifestyle is waiting.